welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashana Capri. In today's video, as you can see, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made these laced up jeans. If you're interested, keep watching, subscribe, thumbs up this video, and share, and let's just jump straight into the freaking video. Okay guys, so what you're going to need is a pair of jeans. I thrifted these from Goodwill. They are some PacSun mom jeans. You're going to need your grommet kit, scissors, your string, some type of ruler, and you're also going to need a hammer. Okay, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my water erasable pen and I'm going to take a ruler. Now I'm basically going to take my ruler and measure where I want my slit to be. And I'm just looking right here to even it out. I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Okay guys, don't mind the water. I just went and erased some of the marker off so that I can move my markings because I want the slit to be a little bit smaller and not so wide. Kind of want to measure at an angle. So now you just want to cut up the middle. And now you can go ahead and cut out the rest. Okay, now that I have that cut out, this is what it should look like. I'm going to take some craft pins and pin this down. As you can see, like the little flaps. You don't want these flaps to be hanging. Now that I have it clamped, I'm going to take a needle and thread and I'm going to sew this down on the inside just so you don't see those flaps. And I'm going to do the same thing that I do on this side on the other side. Now I'm all done sewing my flaps down. Now I'm going to get my grommets. This is what they look like. So now I'm going to use one of the grommets to measure where I want my hole to be. So now I'm just using the ruler to measure exactly where I need my hole at. Going to do the same thing that I did over here on the other side. Now what you want to do is cut a hole it is pretty hard to cut through jeans. So I'm gonna cut out each of my holes and I'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and cut out all the holes. As you can see, this was time consuming, so you're gonna have to take your time with that part. I went ahead and gave myself a test try here. I'm gonna come up closer to show you guys exactly how I did this one. Okay, so you're gonna take your grommet and you're gonna place it inside like this. And then you're gonna take the washer, which is the flat part, and you're gonna place it on the inside of the jeans. So it should look just like this. This is the outside of the jeans. This is the inside of the jeans. All right, now you're gonna take your anvil, which is this part, and you're gonna sit the grommet on top of that. It's gonna look like this. Just sit right on top like that. Then you're gonna take your setter and sit it on top of the washer, which is inside of the jeans, and you're gonna hammer it down. I'm gonna show you again. So you're gonna take your grommet and you're gonna place it like this onto the jeans. It's gonna sit right in there like that. Then you want to take your washer, which is the flat part, and you're gonna stick that on the inside of the jeans. It's gonna flip it over like that and stick it on right on top of that grommet, but on the inside of the jeans. Then you're gonna take your anvil, which is the part that looks just like this, and you're gonna stick the grommet right on top of that, like that. Then you're gonna take your setter and you're gonna stick it right inside like that on the inside of the jeans into the washer. And then you're gonna take a hammer and you're just gonna hammer that down. And then it should look just like that when you're done. It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the holes on this side. Okay, this is what your jeans should look like when you're all done. This was very time consuming, but it was worth it. I feel like a little fashion designer. I'm gonna go ahead and take some string that I got from Michaels. These are the colors that came in a pack. I'm gonna take the pink and the neon yellow, and I'm just gonna do yellow on this side and pink on this side, and I'm gonna go ahead and lace these in. Okay guys, this is how the jeans came out. I stepped outside so you guys can see them in some good lighting. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. And like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out guys.